Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 21st of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 14th of August, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.76. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.27%. This equates to an average return of 0.71% per day since it was categorized as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently fluctuating within a broad and horizontal trend, and we can anticipate further movements within this pattern. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 0.1% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 10% to positive 4%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 33.67% over the next year, with a potential return between 21.89% and 43.66%. This could result in a price range from $588.10 to $693.16 after a year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for QQQ. The QQQ ETF price increased by approximately 0.466% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 21st of August, 2024. The price rose from $480.26 to $482.50. Throughout the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.05%, with a low of $479.32 and a high of $484.36. Remarkably, the price has risen in 9 of the last 10 days, accumulating an increase of 10.98% over the past 2 weeks. It is important to note that the trading volume decreased by 3 million shares on the last day, totaling 25 million shares traded, which amounted to approximately $12.22 billion. Keep in mind that a decline in volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence, potentially signaling upcoming changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price stands at 4.17%, or $21.02 below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent market signals indicate a notable shift for QQ, reflected by a decline in its risk premium relative to risk-free rates. This change coincides with improving macroeconomic indicators that bolster the likelihood of a soft landing, which could positively impact QQQ and other investment funds in the technology sector. Short-term reactions may see QQQ benefiting from increased investor confidence and capital inflows. Power inflows were recently observed, with a rise of just over 1% in shares noted at market close. Such momentum can further enhance QQ's attractiveness to investors seeking growth, particularly those focused on technology and artificial intelligence sectors, where the exchange-traded fund has shown strong performance in recent times. Despite some volatility due to sell-offs, particularly influenced by semiconductor stocks like Nvidia and Broadcom experiencing downturns, many market observers remain optimistic about a rebound. Long-term investors in QQQ especially with a focus on artificial intelligence, may find themselves well positioned for potential returns as these markets stabilize. Additionally, recent comparisons between QQQ and other investment strategies highlight its resilience and capacity for growth, especially against traditional dividend investing. Overall, the combination of improving economic sentiments and ongoing interest in tech-driven growth suggests QQQ could experience both immediate and sustained upward price momentum in the coming months. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. There are mostly positive signals in today's chart. The QQQ ETF shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there's a general buy signal due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected at levels $474.11 and $472.22. A move below either of these levels could trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, and since then it has experienced an increase of 10.98%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal has been indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This discrepancy between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence. A buy signal has been indicated. Pivots. A buy signal was noted 11 days ago. Bollinger Bands. A buy signal emerged 13 days ago. Short-term moving average. A buy signal appeared 10 days ago. Long-term moving average. A buy signal surfaced 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also revealed a buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 188 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. To the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is a natural risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a breach can lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, QQQ has support just below today's level at $448.75. If this support is broken, the next levels of support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. This exchange-traded fund typically experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated by $5.04 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 1.05%. Over the last week, the average daily volatility has been 1.21%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's take a moment to discuss some important fundamental data. First, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate that there are low expectations for the company's future performance or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $485.06. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a potential target for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ meets its first support level at $448.75. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $466.96, representing a decrease of 3.22%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 30 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment option? Several short-term indicators suggest a positive outlook, leading us to believe that the current level presents a buying opportunity, as there is a significant chance for the QQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and market movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 22nd of August, we anticipate the QQQ to open lower by 44 cents, starting at $482.06. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.